Dakojache eye dwumadi a ekoso ewo Adakojache abra Asante Kotoko board no omo ede eye onsa akoka eye dwumadie sonko ewo Adakojache no nti visa from eye the Facebook room ode ebeto screen so ede amaye na ye nyina yakọ eye Adakojache na yakọ hwe dwumadi a ekoso ewo ho ekoso no na Samuel K Mensa na eboy amane we the container project na ewo Adakojache na nei Asante Kotoko board no ebaye no omo so atenase asise omo etoa eye project ne so nti eye exclusive on Oyepa Radio, Oyepa TV, Oyepa Radio on Facebook, and for Oyepa Radio on YouTube. Same akwaba ona akọ Adakojache bibi aboko de. Okay, it say obi here on TV, obi here on Facebook infonia ye twa ede kire omu. Ona akọ ho boyemu de pa na ekoso ho boyemu.
Okay, Jibo, yɛda yahwɛfo ne
kasamemem
we no ne da so ne dika akra no sɛ wɔse Monday ne be story wa sɛ ɛyɛ Adakojache container no ɔmo asan ɛdom sa ka ɔmo yɛ ho adwuma nti yɛ story wie no na ne yɛ tena se dwundwun sɛ yɛ kɔ ne yɛ de ani kɔhwɛ ne yɛ kɔ so no sɛ no pɛyi na me ba wa so yɛ na me bebusa permission na so kwan da meeting akɔ na yakɔhwɛ adwuma yɛ kɔ so no nti me koduru anopa no me draw around 10:40 me duro on me ko to bo chama wonum e jo shop
o ko to bo chama
me ko to bo chama no abe inspection o honum
okay
ti me ko to bo chama wonum e na Richard Akuto e ne backward o mo ne o honum e na ye Kotoko supporters chama solo empenifo am ko to wonum ba me ko ya nche bia na o mo ko e ti me bisa o mo permission say metimi atwa na me de akọ akire Kotoko supporters ni ehwefo na omo hwe ya no mo se kwa da ho nti ho na me hia ase nti we no omo ayi first no na enua na wo soro
na egu container
no so se ehun de ni se de omo nyiye ende ne ohun de ne employ ba na egu soro no first one so omo ye se ka omo boss no mo hye nua wo soro eno na pronto ma yi ni nyina afiri so na se de omo de nade ene ye omo wede esoro nti se visa be de be ko video no ne ewa kakra na 4 minutes de na me force ron ukọ soro a ha na de ni we no mo wede osoro no ti we no contractor so mo twa eyi ni nyina wie eye roofing sheet no be boss no o mo susu ni nyina ye wie ti o mo twen wedes no o mo wede ni nyina wie a na fe carpenter no ba boss no so
ti esoro no na wo foro no
ha soro na me free ti ukọ soro a
we de wan hwe bia de American na ma hu se dade ba ko bu ni nyina mo so mbeye
omo so mbeye steps ni
ade ne bia rasti o
hono ne ni nyina ayemre so steps ne once staircase ne one pe ene ho ene kosro no bia ba kosro no container ba ku once container ba ku si ba ko so one side no kwa na ate no ha nti wo hwe a wedes ne ya dwuma ena steel benders so no wo form omo so wede iron rods no omo hihye wo soro se nti ye kwa akire a video no be de ye be kwa akire a won se Messi for so hono mo a omo Messi anwane cement no na bo no nyina omo so de guso
to mo de be guso no
ha omo de guso other side no
da de ye hu yan ani no mo de be guso
ya video na de be ko ha hono mo twe so hwe esoro no wan last and ye ko gate na no na soro no omo je motor no eyi no osoro a mo de guso esoro se ti ayi fo no we higher weather ni no on na weather an ba na chise no iron no o ma se soro nyina mo share wo soro nyina si o ma hye ye stable na hye nyina akosi senti afina eye Messi fo no so de eye we na ba no motor na ba ti ba bia Messi fo no kona no so hwe wonsani fa enye ha no
o de kasa mo hwe no be hu
omo emese e de guso de ba
ze wo twamfo ni de akire mo hwe no
okay
omo hwe ne de omo ti wo kire no be hu
omo mese e de guso sa de ba omo wi a omo sa de contractor de yi kire me na de ayi plate na omo de ye container no ha wo twetwa bi egu o se omo sa de atoso so omo de enua no guso ya motor no guso omo de plate ni beto so no ma we de atare so na ye kama nti wuti aso akra wo hu se eye
adwuma bi
osoro wo je ti aso ebe ye se fie anaze bia wo dan a wo a ya flow so a ya paint so kama na se ya ye adwuma oso sana contractor ne ka kire me nti we no o se by next week o se adwuma na mo yo osoro nyina mo wie
Hey, on be go in
by next week. Or him cause Messi for no buy and no be can. Say last no buy no. Messi no wed man ka say ohia libres no more. To wan san de bia be can ne. Ti omo bompa ya say whether for no be omo de ni nyina awie. Na libres ni Messi for no so awie omo de no. Na afi omo aboso. Ti omo no na omo timeline a omo de amount ne say by ending. Also omo wie bibia no omo free. Was by ending there say omo wie bibia mfiri nti say containers no. Ura then ura inside ohu. Who say container me wura mu da. And the pen the first time we ram. And na wura mu so a ayi for no so on. Painter so on. A omo so e dey feel like fa baby a.
So ye inside na
adwuma ha. Okay. But you are the better so. Omo dey feel like fa inside on mo a or ye ho adwuma ti. Paint ni dey be na sisi hono. Me ko paint ni bi sisi form crowd.
Na say adwuma na ekoso gidigidi.
Adwuma na ekoso.
Okay.
And na akire say no so no mo to wo no. Omo to wo na fa. Adeko jachi
so mo to wa fa ho nyina.
Afa ho senti.
Ai ho foundation e wo.
Foundation ha.
To mo to wa fa asase ni nyina ho.
Ha nti ura first na ka wo say wo do adeko jachi ura mu straight. But we no before so be do on no. O ma to wo ne be ye de aba.
Aba ni mo
no. Ha no see. Ti no to aso no mo to ade akọ ne ekọ aba bia edan na Dr. Keke Sapoisi ni o say o dey ma players in hostel no say ba ko bi o kire nye we no ha. Ti ho no mo to ede akọ no. No mu wi a na o say contractor na so mu wi a assignment wa yi bi adwuma ba ko so mu ye once wo ko akire se ya gate na no ho no ha gate na no ho se no o mu ye gate na o me ni o be so mu yi ni 2 ti o mu we de niam wa se no so no be gina so na o ma furo no susuru sa gate ni esoro no se no o ma furo suru no sa ba be pim we no nti wo fo suru se ya enya afi na bia o be duru a no ntimi nkroso nkoa no eno aso 190 su
ka ba ko de obekosoro
ha
na ba ko de form na wo
ba ko form
okay
na me nkomadi mu che se soro ho mu no ene football director na office
okay nti we and Dr. Che as board chairman nana yaw as CEO
omo shi ase no
nana container project ni eno no mo to aso
no mo to aso ha container project no mo to aso
okay
ena so the video no ba ko to me ko inside ba ko na enema ni bi won nkonwa no first no once no de nkonwa be gu won and dey ho no but as ya say ko ha ni gu we
nkonwa na ye nyusu da no
no ne gugu won ha no su ni ti omo wi ha na contractor so omo wi omo adwuma na quickly omo de aces ba bubu inside nyina omo ni hia so mbe we no beti omo se firi no omo gofo no so aba de AC na be bon se bo chama na ye no so adwuma wie a omo AC ne bibia gu odada na omo de nkonwa ba be gum ni table so be gum se na omo bitima yusu ti o hwe ni mu ase by ending there but next week there omo be wie soro no
we de ye mfa ne se enen na wotwe onsan ko hobiem no na adwuma na kwa ni mu chen de
yehu ha so hwe pen inside ni
na omo so omo ye adwuma we nya de no mo de be ye menim se wonya opportunity buza bo chairman ana odi hu nkomo a
bo chairman on se on nye radio friendly but nkomo no mo di won chen se aho ye office a coach no ebe yusu na football director no ti soro no de omo akwa like nkomo de ni even contract and work as soro no and they almost say a special one for football director no
director of football menzo
and we in office ti ni aka no e coach no na players so mo coach trainer or some technical offense tactical board and I say officer or don't bet na no tactical board na to no no wa church the players na there see ni senti as say no ko wa say train two times am nyeso so ko fie ko office wo no and na dan kakra wo no mo abia betima
beti arrest
no wa arrest wo no okay the coach ni so no ti eno mo ye ba nyese bia mo move secretariat ndi aba ha no we dey ye coach no any players na be use for no ne omo kan ma meti ho no
okay nti na se o try so ne bo che ma di nkomo no
ozi o ma hu ma mo de akwa na mo beti mai mo juma
okay
o shara mpekasa
okay all right nti same yeda ase
o hia we su ne last one once machine asie omo de ba be dwi ba bi afu na kire onum nyina
omo de be dwi adakoja acho nyina
omo de be dwi o ne ba bi a kire ni se
adwuma machine we su be ye
no pitch na chi se no honum ase ba bi a ugura nkofo ni fie ni side won honum na fufu nti omo de ba be dwi on nyina na pitch ni first pitch no ba bi a no kotoko etie ni first no once pitch na emi no ba ko na wa kire ni ye MTN for the no yema om rebi no and they say do ma ye no fine ba mo nwie o mo ye mo nwie ba we no o so ba be dwi no so foforo no ma ye
the di kind of pitch ni di kind
o ba be dwi no ma ye no
okay
foforo no ma like on pe say a meet standard bi
okay
mom ti ni akosi no mi nya so say adwuma no mo ye o de mi nya so say pieces na be koso ade ko jache
okay all right
ni ma na koso
eno same ene kakra okohu ye ewo Asante Kotoko training grounds ewo adakojache na ode atudwa ewo dwumadi su no nti mame kwa bedwafo we na mame sha se mfiri asia ho ensemede ego la ekinsi na fe kwesisibu na adakojache project a nana yamponsa ne management abra na board na owura Dr. Kwame Chidano sa board na no na owura Joe Shop sa so na Kofiaban na owura Mr. Ofuri no so ewo sa board no so sa project ne omaba omosa to so se ebetimi adidwuma de ama Asante Kotoko
Jibo
Jack
when unyam pemfo a omo like go in line with the modern and the VRC kwa nsem bia koso kuma say no they don't give a fuck out of it that is omo found kra because they go by the current the VRC omo ti VRC ase they are into business omo ti VRC ase nya fe no bi abeti no kaka se hunu na we container na we dey we dey the first yamba boy for na baso se papa no Stanley kan no kroma nkofo bi na still na no nsem na obekan ka dey bi entiase ene enko ade foforo yenim nkofo bi kroma se anko mo a anko ka so entiase the enti amon tiasa say adewe omuni say yekoya daachi bi ni yebobodi akase asumesi na ye enti no entiase no nka o mama de nada ni waste but board for no jibo ye mo baso say they've seen the need coach ne kan no quickly na no a omo ko ho a omo ye say adwuma go enti first ye mo baso styling so menzo na min shiraw say omo fra won oji tumi se oba Ghana papa na man ko adon ko mbese no kwa e ke dia buoni beye e be se ade we
the worst ninye too harsh
anya harsh e ke dia buo ani beye
wa ma na ya buo ni beye no
omo mo okuro se ye nim krofo a
na na be word the message bi ba ma me fan hye wo yin emfama or say the politics of the container project was fueled very much by the media. One reason why some people believe that the media is part of the club's problem.
I don't want to agree with the Nebewa because I think it was purely a media and free. The politics of this goes beyond the media. Now you are forgetting when Adewe ye abandon no. Ntu ankofo chat etwa okroma sei ana nana ba refi. Tese omo ga so fere de etwa ntro.
But many so betin take here out.
No, you see, the media only report what people say. And I remember there now.
Say they all can say. Board no, the modern way and your my see no. So also your media in your opportunity. Who say your way. Now who say we so be a fan. Say modern way now was a kito work no. Say modern way ni bia. So but now as well come modern way na sem.
Oh, say at least.
Because only say you were a lot of influence on your listeners and the supporters of support.
Oh, yeah, Jibo. You take from Mutie. Any Ghana folk say be any say. You know me na at least sebi you need big a grande.
There is a kito, Mr. Pacho.
Oh, let's say we
I've not said and reduce in your word biana. Use Inti Pacho, chwe in the breach in Pacho.
Oh, you maka
Chibrechi.
Okay, and it means you have been better. At least, yeah, only there on such things. No, they must say, dear, at least you're born up so cool if you see, a bob Branton and your basso pa. chon se ohun saa nimdie ne se obeye saa djewe e de ama Asante Kotoko but yenya supporters no binum they allow people to use them and sorry sa project we some of them I am yes baba isa no koye sa videos no koye sa de na opem so ko offend say adokoda che no urefi na ono bright home they give us videos no mo ka omo sa so fresh e twontro che opem so se ne ninje ho me wa so bi anka hwe eti men Stanley na men shiraw se board for no eto omo nsa frew no obaye nso no because of wo de unim sa nyema wei ahon fa so nti no o ka che board ne say you need that place ready because you want to use that place as your office. Okay. Na board for no so no agitu mu a enani ye adwuma ekoso yibo again I like who say Stanley dem say before be kuma say no Kotoko anye ye biom the day Stanley will leave Ghana Kotoko anye ye biom jibo
oyenipa onzo betia yamfum so
but so far the positive stretch they say he is coming to straighten Kotoko enye yen yi ana ye de tie ne ye tete nyama asem now today in modern era Kotoko e training na nipa ko buo ve Stanley so twam tete enyama ene 2026 Stanley on this side no too mare ko da che you go supporter ye ka kire member Johnson me ko ene apa me ko me nyekwa nwuram you are not needed there team ni training ayo mo tactics no na ma ko guo how do you know say Kotoko opponent no was mo bi on so wo hwe mo last training ni bi eti the thing Stanley is putting in place eti what I hear no me ka tell Kotoko support mo ntuna ye mo bi an ko se obiom you are not needed there
o debi
mo amukwade o
see we dey say bie ma supporters so be training
Saturday no so
bie wo ho
Saturday no season start ye mbie now no me Milan mo training omuguo the moment the season and I say they start serious work they already allow them eti ye catch o menzo wa mbokroma say pa dey ke nim de besi so far all the things that this man is doing excessive oye ni ye it is my yekin wọ́n ọ̀kyerẹ́ bi yẹsẹ̀ kọ́tà ọ̀fọ̀ àbá ọ̀n bẹ̀rẹ̀ training no ọ̀ma start ẹ̀na yẹ kọ́ ẹ̀ni yẹ pam yẹ ọkọ̀ ọ̀nà kò wúru ẹ̀bẹ̀ hwẹ́ because the things that we are putting in place àdókòdà àkyẹ́ no kọ́tàkọ́tà training yẹ ọmọ yìí obi ahọ́ they need the environment to do their secret training to prepare it is all tactics nanu yà no Premier League yà stop a team from qualifying because of spying. It tells you how important it is. So we training, no open eba beshe. Eti so far there, Menzo, I'm say, wa 100% no kwanyama so far why? On number 500%.
Hey, Zach now.
No.
Take a break.
Yeah, but you
take a break. Woman mo.
Sadia mionu we. Like you said, Jibo me I'm positive guy. Me I'm not me no bia. Omunyama no me yebi. Me a positive guy. And we are there for Sadia way say who they need for this project to be continued to also to be completed. A key.
Again, say
training ground
Mr. 500%.
in 2 days are too much at the training ground. Also, when I'm reportable and away born homebody and away where she go away and away no matter say chroma say and away and we are away when you know
actually I'm in your way. Young boy.
I think say we be saying na I happy when it comes to the affairs of Asante Kotoko. Nkauti bunya butse. Oh na dey necessary. O say word there. O say word you mean to me go do. You go word you better go do. So what I say? Better late than never. Word the way they could do. Say I share word ya fa. E dey afa venue no ho a. On say Jibo. Kotoko word na say nka Kotoko aye dada do. Last time be in China penifo ko adakwaja ache You was assassin cough with the diabem. On the first, Nana no more was assassin, say, on could be a business.
Ye tobo.
Yeah, could deny audio. So I have Kotoko pa training grounds now. So be that at the Quajasio. The one I could see you. I see one. Oh, David. Captain. It's a crowd or task as it meets himself 1 year, a banner on your show or swap. Ye, Joe Sika, the Wadiama discover trouble. 1 year. Where the Quajati, a brute, a 20 years. In the 20 years, they are facility baby track a craton. Ni chaton, I go is that the Quajati, crook, papa. 20 years ago, we are Jibu. Yet the Quajati as some Obian cabbage chonka, and the wind I crowd of France and win it. It is a way rock near the assassin, and here say a caca, no 1 to 1 pound. Why when Bia a dear to me, they just share found. Now, Tanawa of our CBT baby, none of so yes, yeah. Obichaka half floor to be Eddie baby to a tree. Be a baby girl, be cream and pressure, and as why I say now was I sit down now, yet the amount I was when young word you must send your beton crack.
Quasem so.
Until 1 idiot. I think you have 20 Nanka, at least not even just the training aspect, you know, that war, but protecting the land. Because and so had that the best form of buildings I could commit me seeing I say Abrosan. Or must sit down in TBS to assassin. So what check your assassin a pie and cabbies. A woman say training grounds in Chimo, but some of course a warn from baby training grounds what to warn, and so and Ben Sosa. From baby training grounds and cut to war. It's a pitch's name, you know. So I was always asked to tell back to baby cry pitch in a son. So yes, always stands be a found so do one uncle. Into one idea. Even before say Omunya complete we are all the energy in Kowono to secure Kakrana Kano. They say the abuan is as a quine be abedded that down to quine mumu ye is here. But still nobody a grober banu be a sea won't mimbu. There is a bass I'll be 2 I'll be 2 found this which is not acceptable. So I think said the war secure the land. Number 2, training in command the Jiboyaka. Make I say maybe Drew baby they were not pleased with the media report and other things. You can't share opinion back on say. Now media report maybe Samen about winning name, Zaki to the bow in name. Now this about how be visa. Say visa winning. Say see I assume you. If you are more Kotoko pa di Kotoko echi, omunya sports. See, as soon as I any be about wouldn't go place in the reporting, baba. So it is not about stopping the media. You can stop the familiar faces. What about the unknown faces? The best way to achieve that is over to war. Now the gate at one. Tinipani uremua. Ye man who kwaya untimi urem. Because even if me guys say me Kotoko the release, but I said they will not be pleased with the media. Omo showcase omo project na omo yen. I told one person said they are all tree heading so be free say property na wo no onje ho nkofo fa kwan so kofi ono nam kofi nti obi kura atwam a he say cameras here abai na saying boys bi ni girl bi video pie hwe bia na akwa ni gina o zoom ko mo ba ko ni ho ekọ capture de na mo ye ni zoom ase ho no ene sene camera na no share to me capture dear pa no mo there be we ball no omo ye oba ko ni ho a etimi capture ye nya clean shot na say cameras now boys use na no dey in so kase mo obi kura nsi asase ne so a obi wetimi agina brosan baby azumi atwa ni nyina na the drone be fa so e
drone dey so you be abo
oh jibo say boys the drone no omo timi ko twa galam say kura hu. So the point is, so what you are there no they are is secure no. MOB team be na huncha. Nti be ma de bia wo ye bia no can protect. So and then according to some report there's a chairman solo and on the board chairman na mo. Menya nti say chairman so be ko UK for na assure ne say obema na kakra. E de be ba be support
chairman solo.
Yes.
Ma hu so mo Abdullah mo. Some say UK you know Kotoko supporters Abdullah na epanyini.
Yeah.
On the door man yeah.
Obon
homoden pa. Yeah. O engage influential figures especially former players na omoboko. Yeah. Obon homoden pa.
Na say don't be so me say kakra ma chairman. Na chairman say dey be kan wo no.
Okay.
Yes, once a war project in there now. Uti in common mama nim the discussion between on the board chairman, but no person here say Kotoko supporters no. So be so much me ato. First one maybe another America. Number 2 I'm not for the other ones. I'm happy because once the board don't have their plan for the project. Especially if you any more commerce on their stores be.
David.
Oh, Najibo.
Stores say.
Now they did that make the other question. Meti konongo. Na se Kotoko Jesse ye ton
I can store for team now, Kasa.
Na se me be Kumasi and some
but no cry, no on say the location of the training grounds. No, those things mostly no. I am no more yen war commercial areas no.
No say that
oh, Debbie.
Debbie, I'm more side. Whenever say it should be possible say you be store war ni mu.
But no
Kotoko training na. No, pon betimi atena say na dey see the way go or sign autograph for Jesse Sam. You must look into the future.
But
the stores ni betimi awo Kumasi. Maybe a central Kumasi. Maybe obi free and just so side because if you want to make Kotoko big, Jibo, you fan no crank cancer. How am I for passionate about Chelsea?
My man also line 0322494401 0322494771. Obitia friend no be.
We're passionate about other clubs. So let's say a building so one patem also passionate about Kotoko. So I think the project is in the right direction. The men's who can Jibo. Young Kwajuma kwada kwajatia. Penifoni we ya na 30 minutes kwa mundi next will be after. Maybe no have better ready.
All right.
So I get it. Won't be fan na be impon say.
Okay. Asante Kotoko. Obekaya me be kan ya say Menzo. The moment Menzo call rounds no, and o catch them say Adako Jachi is not fit for purpose. And they told me be home. Enti Sande Baba Yara and o catch okay Baba Yara. But Adako Jachi any fit for purpose. Me say me kasa delay kakra. I check kakra say anga jumere income expectation ka a course time or non be kind or call you know. But that time not the league was in progress. And at that time now can be to start BB.
The men's Obania Bolly gave you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. And then if time of buying say it's about 3 weeks or so away.
Yeah.
Be month, right? But nanka a bit more cost on them. So
I saw her you man almost start here too.
Well I
almost start here.
Yes.
Because any Juma from videos never and any Juma bet me day 1 week or 2 weeks I Juma week.
Since me time I would say a delay kakra. But better late than never. It's about a quote to buttress a point to say na container project na nya de fun. On ba Kotoko ni politics a de bia na e kano. E de ma Kotoko de bia ye see so side na fa kwa. Na say retrogress no eni o. Obi buy say ade ni say na ye pese ye ade bi say at least say you need ye bet my project say ye de blocks na say cement de be ya. Something that is done elsewhere. Southampton and them they do it. So we can do it and do it well. But when someone after another administration, it was a neutral chroma. They almost from Kotoko supporters okay kind. To the extent that television more air condition only as a man for go to. According to properties of the Obama Dema of two, Kotoko lose at the end of the day. I was saying there can continuity as no. And they and before buy you know the same project now and Crawford can some who far home at the same car and Nema and Yana who here I'm for quiet to the extent that non commode or you can see a great deal of was not in your home. Yanti Chroma, but any property Chroma equities answer no. And the mom can call you to Nema no honor. And to look at a day or two. Sika, I could was going to you. Whatever because the Cassia, Ubeka just say, we'll be a good disca. No more if you say, I deal with if a new call one. Say, I say, I'll cast a real wooding at this because there's no idea, a dime, let me tell you, and not even car you tree. So Jow Cassie was an tree. That's all Jow done was a different coma. Assassin said, Edipatim.
And I see.
So you can't know what you can say, Udipati a few more. They say, you manage to check a crack. By the way, it is because you abandoned Obia and found. And Asante Kotoko a struggle, sir. But and idea it properly done not say why. Okwaras or honors utina your football near ma. Perfect. But so what not commented the new board no so mobile no. At least
ɔwɔnya adadwene sɛ adakɔgya akye Kotoko secretariat any technical staff the coaches cannot move from here traffic situation no mo adakɔgya akye they will have to come back to training and that stuff so wey ɛyɛ dwuma it is coming to stay I commend them mpa ɛkɔno so mbɛtuma yɛ awie na team no atumi ayusu na Asante Kotoko a benefit that is what I will say.